Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make an atom shape transparent in Microsoft Word. So here I've drawn out this atom shape, and I can select it, the individual parts here. And what I'm going to do is select all of the parts, and they should be grouped together. So we can ungroup them and then just regroup them together, just to make sure. So they're all one unified group. And now what I'm going to do is come up to Shape Fill and select More Colors. And here we can select exactly what shade of red we want. I'm going to save it as just the shade I was using, but I'm going to ramp up the transparency to about 70%. Say OK. And now you can see that this has become much more transparent. And in fact, I can insert a shape behind it. That's totally, I'm going to fill this with probably like a blue color and say send to back. And you can see that the atom is now much more transparent. You might notice though that the lines are pretty solid. To change this, we can go to Shape Outline, More Outline Colors, and again bring up the transparency. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to get an atom shape transparent in Microsoft Word. I'm Josiah Ray.